One of the things that I'd like to show you today is how to use Opus Clip to repurpose your videos for YouTube Shorts. If you're not making them yet, then honestly, you really need to be. Right now, YouTube Shorts are one of the fastest ways to grow your audience, boost brand awareness, and drive traffic to your offers. Shorts are quick, addictive, and designed specifically to get you discovered fast. That is exactly why I have started using Opus. I take one long video, upload it, and Opus instantly chops it into ready to post YouTube shorts. So without further ado, let's go in and take a look. So just like I said, one long video, 10 viral clips, create 10 times faster. Now it doesn't necessarily just do 10 clips, and I'll show you in just a second. So here is my dashboard. And basically what you would need to do is the first thing you would need to do is upload your video. So again, we're talking about repurposing content, get that content out of your phones. Maybe you've spoken someplace, maybe you went to went to something interesting where there was some kind of presentation that you really liked, or you just want to represent yourself as a brand. So you got some footage, upload it. You can either upload it from your drive in your computer or Google Drive. You can also drop various types of links like Zoom and YouTube. Once you upload, then you're going to click here where it says get clicks in one click. Takes a few minutes. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this. Once your clips are ready, it'll show up down there and you click on it. And you'll see that Opus has created all of these clips. So what you'll immediately notice is the numbers. So that 99, it represents a viral score, and that's the likelihood that your video will go viral. So it ranks from the highest viral score down to the lowest. So I chose this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. And you'll see that it's some rankings. And I like this clip. It's a great clip. So here are some things you could do. Also, there is a transcript of what he talks about. So let me just go back here. So when you're doing a short, it's usually less than 60 seconds as of me speaking this right now. This one is 52 seconds. That's what defines a short. So what I'm going to do is you have various options over here, and so they have what they call an AI hook where you can add sound to your content, enhance your speech, add B-roll. It automatically formats it in the 9:16 format that you use for YouTube Shorts, TikTok Reels, Instagram Reels. So let me unhighlight that and go back here. So then here's part 3 of why I love this. So then it goes to posting on your social media. You can pick the social media that you want. So mine is set for YouTube. This is a trip that I took a group of people to Ghana back in February. So I'm promoting another trip because I do group trips, and I'm promoting my next trip. So this is a great opportunity for people to get little snippets of what to expect. So it gives you the title, it gives you a brief explanation, and it gives you some hashtags. I I would add the hashtag here. If I wanted to add something, I would also be able to change the title and anything that I wanted to change, but I've already done this. So I can click on here and say publish now, or I could select the date and time for when I wanted to actually publish this. So you hit publish now, and it really does publish immediately. So if you go over to YouTube, you would look for your short. So this is my home page. I would go into your videos, click on that. And then you could see that that video is not in here because guess what? It's a short. So I would click on that short tab and this ribbon at the top, and there you see my video. So it went public yesterday. I haven't received any views for that yet, but let me show you this one. I received 512 views for this other video, and so far I have 10 likes. And I'm telling you folks, I really was not doing that great with YouTube. YouTube was very much neglected for me. I wasn't focusing on it. But they've started doing these shorts, and it's a really easy and quick way to get into the game on YouTube and just learn how to use it and all that good stuff. So this is my YouTube short video. Let me click on here if it will play. I'm gonna like my own video. So this is Opus, folks. And one of the things I'd like to say about Opus again is you can definitely start with a free account with an hour and a half worth of free videos.